In this guide, I'm going to show you how to fix a Vinted order that was automatically canceled. Intro. Now, the most common reason is that the seller didn't ship the item within Vinted's shipping deadline. Vinted currently gives 5 business days to send an order, and if that deadline is missed, the order is going to be canceled automatically. Now, if you're the seller and you haven't shipped yet, the canceled order normally can't be just simply reopened. Instead, you need to relist the item and have the buyer purchase it again. If you already shipped the item but Vinted canceled the order anyways, check the tracking information first because tracking can sometimes take some time to update, so always keep your drop-off receipt or other proof that you shipped before the deadline. Now, if you did use a Vinted guaranteed shipping label, make sure you actually did use that label when, shipping that, because sending the parcel another way can cause the order to be automatically canceled. And if the parcel was shipped correctly and on time but the order was still canceled, contact Vinted support and provide your tracking number and proof of shipping. But that is how you could fix a Vinted order that was automatically canceled. Before you do leave, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Peace.